How to disable dark mode on Discord. Want to switch back from dark mode to the classic light mode? I will show you how to turn off dark mode on Discord in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First things first, open Discord and go to user settings. Open Discord on desktop or mobile, then click the gear icon near your username at the bottom left. In the user settings, scroll down and tap appearance. Under theme, choose light to switch back to the bright, classic Discord look. Exit the settings and enjoy Discord in the light mode. Bonus tip: light mode is great if you prefer a brighter, cleaner look, especially during the day. And that's how you disable dark mode on Discord. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Are you team light mode or dark mode? Tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you next time with more Discord tips.